Finally, how to buy Dogecoin right on the LBANK exchange. Very simple and very easy. Let's do this. Now, the first thing I want you to do around this video or below this video, click on the register for your free LBANK account so you can buy Dogecoin. I know you want to do this. The second thing is that if you don't have USDT in your account, you want to come to credit card or debit card and buy this. You're going to need USDT to swap for Dogecoin. That's right. So if you do not have that in your account or anywhere else, you can buy right here. Very simple and very, very easy. You can buy right here and confirm your buy. Now, if you have USDT from somewhere else, like let's say you bought it from Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, you can actually get it here. This is the address you need it sent to. You can find that under Wallet, Earn, and look for your deposit. Now, USDT, ERC20, copy address, if that's how things are working. Okay? Now, after you get your USDT into your possession, it may take a little while, but be patient. After that's there, you come to trade and spot trading. From here, you're going to see some numbers, graph, information. To the top right on the search bar, just type in Doge. That's it, Doge. And look for the trading pair of USDT. You see that Doge USDT right over here. Just make sure it exactly says that, and make sure you have the logo and things like that. Make sure that's the right one, and this is the right one. Then from here at the bottom, this says limit. You can go ahead and buy Doge. So if I wanted to buy 2 Doge, it will cost me 30 cents. And I have that in my possession. You see that USDT, that shows up right at the top there. So I can buy Doge, about 15 cents each, total of 30 cents. I can buy that. So you can just buy that. If I'm ready to sell my Doge, very simple. I just say 2, and I'll sell it back to my USDT account or your account here. Click on sell. And then when that happens, you can find it under withdrawal deposit under your wallet earn. You'll see that under here. When you're ready to withdraw, it's right here. So when you're ready to sell and go back to your account, withdraw right there. Very simple and very easy. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Let's buy some Dogecoin today. Click on the link below to get registered right now.